Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this handheld vacuum robot that this brand sent to me for the video review. I tried it and I think it's pretty good, not only because it's super easy to use and to assemble, but also because it comes with some features that if you have a pool like mine, it will be enough for that. It's meant to be for, not for small pools, because you can always recharge it and go back. This one actually charged in about like 1.5 hours or 2 hours max, and it gives a max of 60 minutes runtime. So for this pool, 60 minutes is enough. If you have a bigger one, that's not an issue. You just go back, recharge it, and then keep going. Assemble, super easy. Look at this. So the head, which has like the brushes that won't damage your pool or your paint, goes like this, super easy, just like that, done. Then the filter, you have multiple filters, you remove it just like that. This is for, so if you have like kind of like, if you don't have too much debris, you can actually use this one, which is more like a fabric, I want to say. But if you have too much debris, you can actually use this one, which is kind of like a net. It's not a fabric, but it's more like a net. In my case, I can use this one, so you can see how easy it was to assemble. So to put it back, you just put it back like this, and the other way, just not like this. You put it just back like this, secure it with this lock, and that's it. And then you also have the handle, which you can use one right here for like a short handheld. If you like kind of like go inside the pool, you can do it by hand, or you can actually use the retractable, which I don't know what it is right there. This one right here that you can set up and extend as well. So it has two locks right here that you're gonna use, and once that they are set up just like that, that's it. It is ready to go, and that's the button that you're gonna use for turning it on. It needs to be inside the water once you want to turn it on, not outside of the water. So that was a mistake. Don't make that mistake on your side for sure. And it also comes with the charger right here, the power cable, which again is going to charge you like about 1.5 hours or 2, and you charge it just right here. So this one is a 17.5 GMP, and it has like a motor of 40 watts. So that's actually pretty powerful for like a pool like this one. So this is pretty much done. It is charged already. So what do you say? Let's go to the pool and I'll show you how it works. So this is super easy. You put it inside the water up to this level right here. Once that is inside, you can turn it on just like that. Now it's on. So now watch the debris right there in one of the steps of my stairs. You can see that I'm super slowly going through there, and look at that, it is gone. So let's go on this one right now. Super easy, nice and slowly, and look at that, they're gone. Let me see if I can actually show you on a close. Okay, I'm trying not to move the water too much so you can actually see. You see that I'm going super slow, and it's taking everything just like that. Some leaves you can actually take as well, not all of them probably at the same time, so you need to go like kind of like slow, but you can see that it's going that way, and all the debris right here disappear, and some of here as well. Again, super nice and easy. So like in 40 minutes I can clean this whole pool from the outside or the inside as well. So let me actually show you the filter now that you saw how good this is on cleaning. So let me show you the filter so you can see how much we got. Look at this, look how much we have inside here and some in here as well. So once you're done, you just washed it, you just clean it with a hose. Same thing with this, and you're pretty much done. That's it. Super nice and easy, simple. You can wash them so you can actually use the filter multiple times. And again, 60 minutes, about like 60 minutes runtime. Super easy to use and powerful enough to clean your whole pool if you want. Like it, I do recommend it. Super easy to use, and for sure it works great. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.